The Dow lost 101 today. The S&P 500 dropped 4. The Nasdaq was up a fraction. Today, though, marked the steepest drop in oil prices in more than 3 years. And today was the 12th day in a row that oil has fallen. Energy stocks led the sell-off today. So let's look at how the global energy market is affecting Wall Street. Deirdre Bolton of the Fox Business Network joins us from New York. Good evening, Deirdre.
Good evening, Brett. Well, you said it. Oil down for the 12th straight day, so that it's its longest losing streak ever. Commodity prices taking their steepest plunge in more than 3 years. You actually have to go back to September 1st of 2015, and they are obviously trading at new lows for this year. So prices settling around $55.69 per barrel, and this tumble in prices truly is a reversal from a pattern that we saw a few months ago. Most investors thought Iranian sanctions would shrink global supply, so at that time oil prices went soaring. But that all changed last month. Inventory reports from the U.S. showing record highs. In fact, last week, U.S. production hit a record 11.6 million barrels produced per day. Other countries producing more too, Saudi Arabia and Russia. In addition, President Trump granted 8 countries temporary waivers from the Iranian oil sanctions. So that means big consuming countries such as India and South Korea can still buy Iranian oil without diplomatic consequence. So basically, most traders fear oversupply. That's why oil is falling, not surprisingly. Stocks following suit in the energy sector. So they were the biggest weight on the markets today. And basically the reason why stocks could not get to that green line and hold it. Chevron, responsible for about 20% of the Dow's drop. And on the S&P 500, 27 of 29 energy stocks fell. Silver lining to all this, lower oil prices means cheaper gasoline. So when Americans are filling up at the pump, they are paying less. The national average is now $2.69 per gallon. Brett, back to you.
Deirdre, thank you. Up next, the gruesome recording